In today's world, home security is crucial, and as technology advances, the methods we use to secure our homes are evolving. Elemake specialises in home security, and they're banking on their new fingerprint Wi-Fi door handle to convince you to join the trend. Introducing the Elemake Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Door Handle. It is an affordable solution priced at under £100 that provides users with multiple unlocking options, complete app control, and top-notch security and privacy protection right out of the box. So let us assess the quality of this item by first unboxing it. The package includes all the necessary items to set up and start using the door lock straight away, such as the lock itself, a comprehensive hardware mounting kit, and a basic user manual. Installing the smart biometric handle is a breeze, and the process is similar to changing a regular lock. First, we must remove the existing one and prepare the area for the smart alternative. Once out, let's attach the bolts to the main handle, followed by the golden rods. Then we'll glide the control cable through the silver rod and attach it to the handle. Finally, we can easily push the handle through the lock entry pathway. To attach the faceplates to the door, we can slide the cable through the door on the opposite side and secure them by screwing them in. Once we have securely screwed and fixed both sides in place, we can move on to installing the central control hub. This step requires AA batteries, and once they're in place, the panel can be easily plugged in and slid into position. Finally, we need to attach the faceplate to the handle by screwing in the last screw to ensure it's fully secured. And that's all there is to it. An easy installation process that requires little to no expertise to successfully set up a fully functional biometric smart door lock on your own. Now, let's proceed with setting this up with the app. Once again, this is really easy to do. When in the main interface, ensure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both on, and then head up to the Add Device button located in the top right hand corner. The device should automatically be detected. If not, try holding the reset button to prompt the detection process. Now let's explore the enjoyable aspects of this handle and discuss its efficiency, ease of use, and features. This lock boasts impressive versatility when it comes to unlocking methods. One of the simplest methods is the on-screen visual lock. This requires no setup. It's a quick and easy click to open method that may not be ideal for everyone, but it can be easily performed if you have your phone to hand. Alternatively, you could use a passcode. This feature is especially helpful if you're managing an Airbnb, shared accommodation, or vacation rental, because the app also allows you to generate one-time passcodes. These passcodes are fantastic because you have complete control over how and when they are used. So if you want to grant access to your tenants, we can input a code through the app interface. Then they can easily enter it using the front panel. Then once their stay is over, we can either remove the code or change it periodically. To utilize the fingerprint option, we do need to add the fingerprints to the app. The best part is that multiple household members can add theirs, ensuring that every trusted individual has immediate access. To do this, we can simply click Add Fingerprint. It is a similar process to Android and iOS. We just hold our finger over the sensor, remove it, and repeat when prompted. We can then name the fingerprint and save it. This is a major selling point, and fortunately, it does live up to the hype. Just getting into a building or room has never been easier thanks to the speedy and dependable fingerprint sensor. It's especially useful when you have lots of bags and groceries to carry, making entry effortless and secure. To put your mind at rest, there is a master key also provided for accessing a room or property through a traditional method. This could be useful during emergencies or in case the door handle batteries run out. Regarding the issue of the handle having no battery life remaining, there is a reliable backup option available too. In addition to using the key in cases of critical low power, it is possible to connect a micro USB power bank to act as a temporary power source. This will enable you to access and manage everything as needed. This app is designed to provide valuable information for its users. It keeps track of who enters and exits and offers automatic locking and passage mode settings in real time for both security and convenience. As an added benefit, I can monitor when codes are used and keep record of household members coming and goings if it is necessary. This app has the potential to be a lifesaver. The Elemake door lock is a reliable and user-friendly option that ensures the safety and convenience of entering a residence. It has the capacity to store several fingerprints and enables the sharing of one-time entry codes, so the applicational value is endless. This door lock is a worthwhile investment for numerous amounts of people. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.